Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about St. Valentine's Day, a holiday that is celebrated all around the world on February 14th. St. Valentine's Day is a day dedicated to love and affection, where people show their love and appreciation for their partners, friends, and family members. It has a rich history dating back to ancient times and has evolved over the years to become the celebration of love that we know today. One of the most popular traditions associated with St. Valentine's Day is the exchange of cards, flowers, and gifts. People often give cards filled with messages of love and affection to their partners, friends, and family members. Flowers, especially red roses, are also a popular gift on this day, as they symbolize love and passion. Another popular tradition is the exchange of love letters, which has been a part of the celebration of St. Valentine's Day for centuries. In earlier times, people would write handwritten letters to express their love and affection, and today, people often use digital platforms like email or social media to share their messages of love. Many couples also choose to celebrate St. Valentine's Day by going out for a romantic dinner or a special date. This can be a great way to spend quality time together and create lasting memories. In addition to romantic love, St. Valentine's Day is also a day to celebrate love in all its forms. It's a day to show appreciation for the special people in our lives, whether it's a spouse, a friend, a family member, or someone else. So, don't forget to spread love and kindness to those around you on this special day. In conclusion, St. Valentine's Day is a day that brings people together to celebrate love and affection. So, take the time to show your love and appreciation for those special people in your life, whether it's through a thoughtful gift, a romantic dinner, or simply a kind gesture. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.